Changing your Rumble's channel name is pretty easy. This video is a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. First, you have to visit the rumble.com website. Remember, it should be the official website. Sign in with your credentials. Click on the profile icon located at the top right corner. Now click on the drop-down menu and select Account Overview. In the Account Overview section, click on the Channel tab. Now here you'll see a list of channels. Click on the channel that you wish to edit. Now within the channel setting, locate the name field and enter the desired new name that you want to edit. After updating the name, scroll down and see the Save button to apply the changes. So this will change your channel's name, Rumble's channel's name. Rumble is a very growing website, exactly like YouTube, where you can share your video content and get a community support, engagement, and even earn money. So this was a step-by-step guideline on how you can change Rumble's channel name in a very quick manner, and I'll see you in the next one.